Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this simple paper star. The supplies you will need are some white school glue, a hot glue gun and glue sticks, some wooden craft stir sticks, a sheet of tissue paper, some cut up tissue paper, and some optional glitter. Okay, first you're going to take your stir sticks and you're going to glue 5 of them together into a star shape using your hot glue gun. It's best for an adult to prep this part if you're going to make this craft with a young child. You can also glue the underside of some of the areas to make your star more sturdy. Next, you're going to add white glue along the edge of the entire star. Now add a sheet of tissue paper over top and press down. Now we're going to use our scissors and we're going to cut the star out. Next, add drops of glue all over the star, and you're going to be adding the cut up tissue. At this point, you can add extra glue all over the top of the star to make it shine. And here's the fun part, you can just rub it around with your fingers. Okay, and now it's time for the best part, shaking on the glitter. And ta-da! Here's your beautiful star. You can hang these in windows, in a classroom, your kid's bedroom. They're really a lot of fun to make. Hope you enjoyed watching, and please subscribe for more craft ideas.